Howdy, my name is Daniel. I'm the founder and owner of Mad Love Concepts, and today I'm going to show you how you can plug in your electronic drum set directly into your smartphone. So before I begin, let me start by saying that I am actually running the sound through the house mixer wirelessly into the SMIDI system, also known as the smartphone direct input. And I'm actually using a guitar receiver, which may be why the audio sounds a little weird, but I had to make do with what I had, so this is what I used. Anyways, in order to run the drum set directly into the smartphone direct input, I went ahead and I got this guitar cable running out of the right side because I've already got the left side going to the house. And I'm going to put this into the smartphone direct input, and then that's going to bring the audio from the drum module directly into SMIDI. So without further ado, let's see how that goes. And there you have it. That was me playing the drum set directly into the smartphone. Now, the drum module does allow me to control the independent cymbals and toms and their volumes and all that kind of stuff. So depending on how it is in there will affect the levels on the smartphone, which may not always equate to what you're hearing live. Like I have a monitor down here, and maybe what I'm hearing in the monitor is not quite the same as what's being put into the phone. So just be conscious if you're going to use this method. So before you go live streaming or whatever, you would probably need to test it before you actually go live. So anyways, that's all I got for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You'd be doing me and my small business so much. Yeah, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys on the horizon.